Have you ever experienced a SOLIDWORKS crash? Fortunately, there are ways for us to help find where these crashes are coming from. One technique is the event viewer. In order to find where our crashes are coming from, we can go to our Windows Start menu and search for Event Viewer. Once we open the Event Viewer, we can go to our Windows logs and select Application. Over on the right side of the screen, we have the ability to filter current logs. From the Filter Current Log selection, we're going to enable critical and errors from the event level. What we're now looking for in the list of errors is anything that has an application error as a source. This will point to SOLIDWORKS if you have had a SOLIDWORKS crash. When we select this error, we can see that the faulting application was indeed SOLIDWORKS. From here, we can see other information like the faulting module, the faulting application path, and the faulting module path. This points to combase.dll. Once we're able to find a faulting DLL, we can then search this further to see if we can track down what system or application this is coming from. Hopefully that helps with tracking down any crashes that you might be experiencing so that they can be resolved quicker.